Hello guys, welcome again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming this corridor way. As you can see how it looks, we have a pretty long and fair corridor way, and we are going to be transforming it with you guys. We are going to be showing you every step that we are going to be taking while transforming this corridor way. So this is the second part of the house that we are going to be transforming, because we are going to be starting with the balcony, and I hope you will watch that video because it's already up on YouTube. And now I'm going to be transforming this corridor way with you, so come with me as I give you some ideas. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is laying down a corridor runner here. We are going to be changing this light up here, and also we are going to be figuring out how we are going to be decorating this part here. Come. Yeah, so we are going to be decorating here with some pictures, art, and we are going to be showing you. But the main thing about this corridor way is this end of the wall here, because when you are in the living room or the dining area, you are going to be seeing this wall. So this is the main focus. This will act as a focal wall in this corridor way. So we are going to be transforming it, whereby I'm going to be doing some decorations here. I'm going to be putting a mirror, a full-size mirror here. Also, I'm going to be putting some panels here, fluted panels here, and a floating shelf. So let's start this video, and I hope you will enjoy every video that we post in our YouTube channel.
So welcome to our channel All Things With Us, and if you're new here, feel much welcome to our channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So I've told you earlier, we are going to be transforming our hallway or corridor into something more beautiful and appealing. So here, as you can see, I'm just taking measurements and cutting some pieces of MDF that I'm going to be using to make our floating console table. So this is part one of the transformation, whereby I'll be making a floating console table for that area. Anyway, I'll be taking you step by step on this transformation today, so make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully see and learn one or two from us. I'm going to be making a floating console table, and then after that I'm going to be making our mirror. After making the mirror, I'm going to be taking you back to the house and start the transformation. I hope this is the kind of videos you like, and if yes, kindly consider subscribing to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So after assembling the pieces of boards, we are going to be filling these holes that we made while doing the screwing. We are going to be filling them. We're using this body filler, and then start priming it using a water-based paint, this paint that you see here. And after applying this paint, I'm going to be letting it to dry, and then come back with an AC or acrylic based paint using a machine. I'm going to be spray painting it black. That is, I'm just giving you the information in case you want to try something like this. This is the second item that I'm going to be making. It's a mirror. It's a 4mm mirror, and I'm going to be cutting curves at like this one, and I'm going to be making another curve at that other side, and I'm going to be using this cutting jig that I'm going to be showing you. So I'm just making marks on this at the center of the mirror so that I can use this glass cutting jig to cut the circle part, because I want the mirror to be oval in shape. And after that, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing, because I'm going to be putting a small frame at the back that I'm going to be using to mount it on the wall, and also where I'm going to be attaching some strip lights, because I'm going to be putting some lights at the back of the mirror for this transformation today. If you have liked this video till this far, make sure to comment on it, share with your friends and family. And using the contact glue, I'm going to be applying the contact glue on the mirror, also on the frame that I've shown you there. And I'm going to be using this contact glue to attach both items together. Yeah, this was the glue that I had in mind to use, and it works very perfectly for me. It hasn't disappointed me yet, so I'm going to be using it for this DIY today. After making or preparing everything, and now I'm taking you back to the house. This is the part that we are going to be transforming today, and it's not 100% transformation, because there are some other parts that I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to be showing you what I'm doing in this area today. So I have these fluted panels here. I have these buckets that I'm going to be using to mix the wallpaper glue, because I'm going to be putting some wallpapers on the wall. This is because I want to use contact glue to attach the panels, and these are the items that I have. These are the strip lights that I'm going to be using at the back of the mirror, and I have a power bank there. And basically these are the tools, materials that I'm going to be using in this DIY today. So I'm going to be starting by attaching the lights. These are RGB lights. I'm going to be attaching them at the back of the mirror, and they come with their own glue, but for safety purposes I'm going to be using also hot glue just to reinforce that part there, so that when their glue wears off, the hot glue will remain there. So those are the lights. I'm just testing them, and they work very well. So I'm just going to be wrapping these strip light around this board here, so that when you light them up, the back of the mirror will be very beautiful. And I'm going to be showing you after I'm done. and this is how the floating console is going to be going there. I have that structure there that I've already fitted there. This one that I have here, I'm going to be mounting it on the wall, and this one will support the floating console table. So that is basically how I did mount our floating console table. So if you want to try something like this, you can use this method because it works. It's very strong. And then after that, I'm going to be mounting the mirror. So I'm just using steel nails for that, and I think I've shown you the hangers that I did fix at the back of the mirror. So I'm using these nails. I'm going to be hanging the mirror in that part. So my idea was putting the mirror on one side, fluted panels on the other side, and then the console table at the between the, or in the middle, where it will be protruding on the wall, on the mirror, and also on the panels parts, like this one that I'm showing you in this clip here. So you can see it lies in both ends, the side for the panels and also the side for the mirror. And then I did place that thing there that will hold the power bank. The power bank for this DIY today will be the source of power for these RGB lights, because they have an USB connection. So I'm going to be connecting them with the power bank, so that, because I didn't want to do a lot of wiring in that area. The other thing I did here was using these hangers. They come with a glue. I'm going to be sticking them there so that I can hang my key holders there. And then after that, I'm just going to be doing some decoration, small decoration, and then I'm going to be giving you the final reveal. So I've just told you earlier, this is not 100% done. It will be a work in progress. I'm still going to be doing some changes here, or adding some things here, and I'll be showing you the whole process until I'm done with this one. So the other thing that we are going to be doing in this house is transforming our TV wall. That is our next project in this house transformation series. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, All Things With Us. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And also, most of the items that you see here are from All Things Interiors. That is our shop. Because we sell most of these items, we DIY most of these items. So 90% of these video today are the things from our shop. So you can order yours. Thank you.